Hello everyone, welcome to Top the most important function. The most powerful tutorial can help you understand and look up the usage and syntax of the most important function in this cell. And today I would like to show you the next function in the lookup and reference. This is the choose function. Yes, and if you want to know about the usage and syntax of this function from the computer keyboard, you can press choose. And you can see the instruction here, and here is the usage. Choose as a value or action to perform from a list of values based on an index numbers. Yes, and next, if you want to know about the syntax from the computer keyboard, you press two parentheses, and here is the syntax. You can see the syntax of this function have the index numbers is the first argument. The second is the value 1, and the next is value 2, and so on. And here we have total 254 values here. Yeah, and here I already described about the usage and syntax of this function. Yes, and here's the examples, very easy examples to you to understand more the detail of this function. And here, if you want to get the A or B or C from the text string like this, by using choose function, you can do like this. From the computer keyboard, you press the choose, and the index numbers. Given index number, you press number 1, and next the value 1 you input the A, and the next you input B, next the value 3 you input C and press enter. Yeah, and yeah, you already get the A from the ABC text string like this. And if you want to get the B, you change the number 1 to number 2. Or if you want to get C, you press number 3 here and press enter. Okay, and next I would like to show you the most very powerful application of this function. Yes, and here is the date column, and if you want to get or if you want to find the day of the week, you can choose the choose function like this. From the C24, you press choose. Yeah, and the index numbers, you use a weekday function, and the serial numbers of weekday function, you choose the B22, where is the contains the date value. If you want to change from this date to days of the week corresponding with this date. Yes, and the value 1 you input the Sunday. Next is Monday, and the next is a Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday, and Friday, and the final is the Saturday, and press enter. Okay, now you can select the function for the value and choose fill without formatting. Okay, now you can check the 9th of May is the Mondays. You can check here. 9th of May is Monday, and 13th of May is a Friday. 13th of May is Friday, or yes, exactly, yeah. Okay, By this application, I hope that you can use the choose function very fluently and quickly, and apply this function in your job to make it very more efficiency. Yeah. Okay. Now I would like to finish this video here, and thanks for your watching. See you later, and thank you very much.